In this video I would like to show you how you can use a Bluetooth keyboard, or in this case a Bluetooth Footswitch controller that is acting like a keyboard, sends keystroke signals to control FiveLoop in the Chrome browser. So this AirTurn BT200, we can turn it on by pressing the power button, and when the LED is flashing blue like this, it means that it is ready for pairing. And on the computer we need to open the system settings and the Bluetooth settings. And now we wait for the new controller to show up. Right here we press connect. And we need to do that one more time. Now the controller is connected. We can see that the LED changed here, and we only need to do that once, so the MacBook remembers the Bluetooth device, and the next time we turn it on, it is paired automatically. So this controller can be used in different modes. It can be actually also used as a MIDI controller, but also as a keyboard. And I highly recommend not to use MIDI over Bluetooth, as from my experience it's not really working really well. So we will use the keystroke mode instead, and I recommend you to use the 6 mode. There are different modes where these buttons have different keystrokes assigned, and some other modes interfere with a normal browser. So let's say we use mode, I don't know, 5, where this is page up button, and you assign it to play pause. Every time you press play pause, it would also automatically scroll up in your browser. So I recommend to use the 6 mode, and we can switch the modes by holding this function button here and wait until the LED flashed 6 times and then release the button again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we release it. And now we have it set to mode 6. So now what we need to do is go in the FiveLoop menu, in the extension menu here in the Google Chrome browser. So on the top right you can see the FiveLoop logo right here, and we press start keystroke learn mode. And we see the buttons turn blue, and now we press a button that we would like to assign, the rewind button here in our case, and now it is listening for a keystroke. So we use this one here, and we do that with the rest as well. Speed up and loop. And yes, now I'm able to use this Bluetooth Footswitch to control the video. Let me demonstrate.